Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, and welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is good. Everyone is fine. It's very hot, guys, and I just came back from my off. I'm very tired. We're going back to work. Yo, katele kanjani. But either way, as you can see, I've just woke up and yo, I barely even slept or anything like that. I'm just glad January pedal out board now. We're moving forward, and yeah, man. But I just wanted to talk about Lindaba le ye isengane lengane. Yo, mina angazi angifuni ukumqambela manga I'm bored when it comes to this. I'm very angazi noma I'm bored or I'm angry. You understand? With the whole thing, the first thing first, out there. There was a time I've heard Dala and stuff like that. And then I was like, okay, let me just check this out, because normally when I hear something about a specific show, trend or something like that. And at the time, Ubaba Siyacela was still alive. He was still alive. And then I checked the show out. Yo, I don't think episode even that first time we won azang khona. Yo, mina nje ngizosho my opinion how I feel about this whole thing nje. Mina lo mfana uyangibhora mina. Uyangibhora nje. Yo, into angibhora yona, into zangibhora yona. Cha mina uyangibhora nje. Yasho nje nami khona vele abantu engibabhorayo anginankinga ngalokho. I'm fine. Futhi nabasha nje ngeba invite ukuthi hayi bafethu zani nayi camp ngapha yabantu engibabhorayo. Uyangibhora nje. Uyangibhora. Like ngibhora nje mina lamphana. Yo cha uyangibhora mina. Uyanginyanyisa. Even nje before nje ngathi nje bangembuka ngathi mina yo lo mfana lo umfana entitled, umfana nje ofika like u deserve soft life, fahlale nje abe blompot angenzi lutho, because there was even the time la thena khona angikaze asebenze. Shuthi ilaba abafazi bakhe bazosebenza and manje ngeza nokuthi ngathi allegedly befuna ukuthatha nesithembu. Hey mara mantombazane, hawu. And then into engibhorayo mina ngalento le is that even abantu besifazane sometimes abayicabangeli nje. At this point, it's not even isimo sokuthi abantu besifazane ingane lezi abazali balengane bavula kanjani umbhedo hayi umbhedo lo umsangano. Uyazi umsangano umbhedo nje ungathatha ingane isasencane ihambe yoshada ini ingane isemathando yini lokho yini nje lokho bafethu. Lengane ngakhumbula kuthiwa ngathi khona yakafela no matric mina vele nje bengizwa bafethu because bengibhora nje lesho nje bengibhora. Mina ngiyahlela ukubuka into abantu abangabhadlanga mina. Cha nama ngibhadlanga, but lokhu it's on a higher grade. Isemathandweni lengane kwaze nabantu bafuna bathi bafuna ukuyisiza, bethi bafuna uyifundisa ingane ngathi yalo ukuhamba uyofunda or something like that. Ingane yathi yena isemathandweni in kunjani manje? Mina I do not promote GBV. I do not lento zani ezinye izinto bafethu neyifaka bafethu. Ezinye izinto neyifaka guys. Niyazifaka umuntu uyambona ukuthi ukuphatha kanjani. You understand? Nenye into futhi nabazali bethu mina ngiphinde ngibablame bafethu. Enye into ngiphinde ngibablame abazali bavumela kanjani umbhedo so ukuthi ingane incane kanje ihambe yoshada. Ihambe nje ngane yoshada ihlale nofethi pum obhorayo. Yo la mfana mina uyangibhora. Yo! Into angibhora yona. Cha mina uyangibhora ke nje. Uyangibhora. Yo, nento ngibhora ngalento le ukuthi manje ngoba sekushadiwe ke sizongena nathi sifakaze ngale ndaba zama GBV wabo. Into evele ehleli kuyenzeka ngama couple ukuthi nizofakaza afa ngekwenza lento lethi ngoba ngizoba ne line la ukuthi ngiyabhoreka nje nami bhora le ndaba noma athi ngithi mangikhuluma. Yo ndaba fethi yangibhora le ndaba nje. Nizokhuluma sikhulume sithi hayi akinakho manje ngathi ne-watch live keep statement ukuthi uthele bengafuni ukuyovula. Why bengafuni ukuyovula statement? Why bengafuni ukuboshisa lo ubophisa lo? Why? Yini amthanda? Hayi bafethu ezinye izinto nayifaka. bese ngifuna ukufaka nathi nizosenza sibe emotionally drained already nezethu impilo nje zasidraina sikhathele nje ziningi izinto ezisidrainayo nani nifuna ukulokho nenza lezi zinto zene emjolo yene ekhathele bafethu yo yazi nami at least bangiseje nje bangiphuca ukuthi mina vele ke nami cha mina ngazange ngiphuceke umjolo mina zange bengiphucwe mina nje yimi ngawuthatha umjolo ngathi ngithatha into yenu angisayifuni baningi nje abantu ngiphuca umjolo abakhoni lengane nje ifayiyeka yonke lento ibuyele ekhaya kubo hayi lo mbheda lo mazidla bawudlalayo manje umncane kanje so abuse umfana lengane ifayikathi ngene konke lomsangano nabazali bayo bengakaze beyivumele ukuthi angisazi ke ne story behind that so noma ngangijaja ke mina ana stress ngaba kazi bhekana yonke le trauma le khona ezinye izinto ama decisions ezinye izinto bafethu it's true ezinye izimo zempilo esibhekane nazo manje it's due to the decisions that we have made as people and with them it seems like there are those type of people abasuka in the rural areas, you understand, where umshado is like yo uba loyo umshado is like into wow cha mina on my mina nje kimi when it comes to marriage I don't care about marriage mina ngifuna imali bafethu marriage I don't value mina kuthi I'm like sabelo one day paushad no mina nje yabona as responsible as I am whoever person I'll have a child with or children with is one person who's what I can first thing first and ngiyazi ukuthi a man taking care of his own responsibility shouldn't be into ukuthi the mother of the kids or the other person who's involved should feel like they are lucky. Into engenza ngisho njalo because amane amaphara these days. That's why when a man ubona indoda ipusha itrolley ihamba yodwa nengane yayo etown or emall or wherever, it tends to look like wow. Like even namhlanje ngithemba sibe Germany la estradini khona omunye behamba nengane yakhe epusha. Noma naye behamba nengane efake phakathi itrolley emgwaqeni. Angazi imoto beyifaka ihambe phi. But it was a nice thing. I liked that. I was like, wow, I like this. Even nama ngikhulusa ngobaba mina. Bamgunda le naye. La bamgunda khona. And akana nkinga akana stress. We understand that. So by virtue of how izinto sezingakhona in terms of ama single parent, is it coming ngikhulusa umama and mina wamama asebenza ke. Owamama asebenza. Yo! Into ayisebenza. And I don't feel like I need a father figure. No. I don't feel like that. And even with my sexuality, it has absolutely nothing to do with ukuthi ubaba ekhona noma engekho. Kokunye futhi I'm even grateful ukuthi ubaba wayengekho. And kokunye dad lezo zinphathi nje leyo phathi nje iphathi nje nga exist kahle kimi. You understand? Bengikhuluma ngani? Hey, sengikhohliwe ukuthi ngikwatile nje. Ngikwatile nje nabazali bafethu nalo nobaba lomfana wazasho lo mfana isithuphethu bobabili nothando yithuphethu umngane womthando kusibiza ngethuphethu so thina skimini vele sibizanga ngethuphethu ngangazi ukuthi ithathwe laphi into azwangitshela isithuphethu lo mfana sekuzithathe khona la ngibona ukuthatha ifone eshaphansi wani ifake ezimene ezinjalo bafethu wani ifaka nje ezimene ezinjalo ezinye izinto bafethu fasime kancane guys fasime nje sibe war bengikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi izathu sokuthi why ngithi mina the person I'll have a kid with you be lucky really in all honesty kahle kuyobe ngekho lucky but by virtue of how abantu besilisa move these days especially mase kumithisile that's why I end up saying that and I will also be a lucky person for becoming a father. Bafethu ezinye izinto bafethu fan funda ukuyiprioritize fan funda ukuyibeka phambili ezinye izinto ungajahela izinto indaba zemishado ukuthi sekuqhamuka umuntu ufuna ukuzokushada usemncane bafithi imali kancane wo ngoba kanti nihambe nachitha nenze izinto la nalento futhi sesiyakhuluma nje nathi siyakhuluma nje ngoba the next uzobona sebahamba emfuleni ngakubo abantu bayalobalobala ningena indaba zabo nima seningena indaba zabo next thing sithiwa niyaphapha nihamba ningena indaba ezinganifuni senibabona behambe emfuleni boy 2 next thing umbona usacela sihamba nalomunye intombazane wakhe he nina naniyithandi nina into engayithandi yona aniyithandi nje nina anandaba futhi nani angaze ngibona abantu abanandaba about themselves kanje mina nje yami opinion with them bazobona benza njani bazobona benza njani Wama relationship ja toxic. Umncane nje uzoyifaka relationship umbhedo nje. Cha mina ngiyashiya ke. Yikho nje ngisho ukuthi mina wami umjolo ngathi guys nayi lento yenu beninike yona angisayifuni. I'm not going to deal with this. I'm not going to deal with this. Nama angikho perfect but khona ezinye izinto engithi no. Not for me. Not this year. It's a no for me. And if don't come back next year. Prioritize yourself, put yourself first as much as umuntu umthanda zifunde lento ebuyela yazi ezinye izinto bafethu kubalekile kokunye ukuthi if ukhule endaweni semakhaya ukuphuma ngaphandle ubona indawo bafethu siyeke ukuprioritize uthando asifundanga asinalutho nje kuyabheda kodwa already sesifuna amathando sifuna izinto ezikanjalo yes ukuba in love kumnandi whatever but ezinye izinto fasiphinde sibhekeni guys mina yabona lonke lesisho omunye washo wathi uowami kahle mina am a ninja by the way washo wathi if you umuntu wakhe kuchithela kokuqala okay uye wrong mase kuchithela kwesithu hoyi decide mase ukuthi ufuna ukuhlala and you like that impilo vese ukhethele yona leyo hayi mina ngeke ngikhona into angeke ngikhona cha ngeke ngikhona ke mina angiphathi umuntu mase ezophambisa isandla angiphathi khona enye ivideo ngizoyidropa ke nami regarding some situation kanjalo almost gender GBV nyana ngamtshela ngathi na cha mina ngikhona ke kodwa ngiyifaka le story time ngayifaka ngamtshela ngathi hayi cha mina ngeke asiyeke nje naye nje ngibhekana nalokho you understand so nje bafethu ezinye izinto ingane nani manengane kana ukuendorse kufana lento manje ingane lokho ithiwa zijole hayi ngwana yakho nali boyfriend my child boyfriend baratana no cha kwezinye izinto nami nginabe lo old school fashion ukuthi ngiyafihlwa nje angifuni ukuyazi lonto engayithola lonto ngishanga nje ukuslam angifuni ingane ejolayo ingane yafunda ibuye esikoleni izohlala endlini esikoleni la endlini ingane ejola nje iyaqinywa bafethu allegedly so ulona nje ugirl mina I'm instead of feeling sorry for her I'm more angry I'm more angry nje kuti how do you allow something like this to happen to you how do you allow yourself ukuthi uzophila impilo eso I'm sure most of our parents bephila impilo eso you understand now why would you also want to go through that yo bafethu there are finer things la ngaphandle guys there are finer things la ngaphandle there's a lot to accomplish there's beautiful things to and places to go namakazi namsengiyelela igoli ngana la eThekwini kuphela but kuloko kuncane sengiphule ngakubona ngapho ngathi no Sabelo yazi push yourself man push yourself there's a lot kuningi kuhle for you nangicishe for yourself yes for myself out there yes umjolo na umnandi but kwezinye izinto we can't prioritize that we honestly can't prioritize that more especially if a situation uyayibona futhi ukuthi iyabheda and ukushada umncane don't isikhathi esirayithi sokushada isikhathi mawusukube usuyasebenza unendle yakho unemuti yakho usu independent into ofanele ube independent yona mawusushada ilapho hayi lento ukuthi ingane ihambe nje ezabazali bafethu nathi we need to do better nike nashada ngena ayibona izinto ni between indlela kubuzo kwabantu abaphimile ngiyazi ke thina vele generation yethu ayifuna ukuzwa allegedly mina lento bengibhora nje yanginyanyisa nje ngiyakwata because I'm like why do you allow this why do you allow yourself to go through this why do you reduce yourself uyinciphisa ama opportunity how yes kuyabheda ngaphandle imisebenzi ayikho in pata kahleni achaza ukuthi fasiphileni kanje cha kimi akuchaze ke lokho no it's a no from me akuchaze nje ukuthi fasiphile kanje bafethu ake develop ama LOVE for ourselves guys let's develop ama LOVE for ourselves nje enibaningi la ngaphandle abakumlama relationship ukuthi bayabuzwa kuthiwa akungcononi uyazi ujoin umuntu uthi uyacomplain bese umuntu avela kubuza ukuthi akungcononi ihlukane umuntu disrespectayo umuntu disrespectayo John no way ooh how so guys thank you for checking out this video ngiyabonga bafethu I love you so much yeah that's all I had to say I think if I have something else so edenye futhi kunje ngibhorekile ngikhona ukukhuluma kahle nokucabanga kahle manje but love yourself bafethu nothing beats that nothing beats lokho akekho umuntu odeserve ukushaywa akekho nje akekho futhi umuntu odeserve ukushaya abantu no one yeah